The journey of clothes, from the design table to your wardrobe. Every garment of clothing we wear has been carefully designed, and the journey from the design table to the wardrobe isn't as straightforward as you might imagine. After an item of clothing has been designed and a prototype made, the arduous process of selecting an appropriate fabric begins. The weight of the fabric, the price and the quantity needed are all equally important. A fabric's quality and properties affect every stage of manufacturing, and mass production necessitates buying in bulk. So a lot of planning and research is put into making an informed decision. After purchasing a suitable fabric, most manufacturers pre-wash it at a high temperature, so as to prevent it from shrinking when the customer washes it. Now the fabric is ready to be dyed in the desired colour. Next is marking and pattern grading, which involves making patterns on the fabric as well as creating additional sizes according to the designer's specifications. Then the fabric is cut into segments, which are bundled up in preparation for their assembly. At this stage, clothes are embroidered with logos or lettering, and any printing is completed. The pieces are then sent to a factory, where employees work on an assembly line sewing the pieces of a garment together and attaching components, such as buttons and zippers, using special stitches. Before a product is sent out, it must go through the finishing process. This means attaching labels, price tags and care tags. Each unit is checked to ensure it fits the original specifications and loose threads are trimmed away. Any defective or imperfect items are promptly discarded. Finally, everything is packed and shipped to a fulfillment centre, which is responsible for distribution, and shortly afterwards the product becomes available in stores.